Ready to transform your website from bland to bam, captivating your audience with a pop-up link that actually converts. First, head over to your Wix editor, and on the left-hand side, find the Pages and Menu icon. It usually looks like a stack of papers. Click that, and then scroll all the way down to find Add Page. Now, instead of choosing a standard page, select Popup. Wix offers a bunch of pre-designed pop-up templates, or you can start from scratch with a blank canvas. Totally up to you. Pick the one that screams your brand. Okay, time to make it yours. Customize the pop-up, change the text to a compelling call to action, play with the colors to match your website's vibe, and maybe even add an eye-catching image. Remember, keep it concise and engaging. Next, go back to the page where you want the pop-up to appear. Select the element you want to trigger the pop-up. This could be a button, a text link, or even an image. Click the link icon. It often looks like a chain link. In the link to options, choose pop-up and then select the pop-up you just designed. The last step, setting your pop-up's trigger. This is crucial. Head over to the pop-up settings. Do you want it to appear on the first visit, after a certain amount of time, or when someone's about to leave the page? Choose the option that makes sense for your audience. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything works smoothly. Is the pop-up engaging without being annoying? Great! You've now successfully created a pop-up link in Wix, transforming your website into a conversion machine.